Well, hello from Uganda. We're now in Jinja. It's the historic source of the Nile, and it's also the starting point of our cycle ride across Uganda. We're going to be looking at some school education projects. We're going to be looking at some wildlife and hopefully meeting a lot of Ugandans as they celebrate 50 years of independence. Time to get on our bikes. After a rather wet first day's ride, we arrived in the small town of Kayunga. It had the air of a Wild West frontier town. Dishevelled, and yet somehow charismatic. We hung around town during the afternoon and were told that at night we were going to be able to see live music.
Sisinkanya malungi bangi sinalaba mwakufaanana yenze nkoletya oli mukyala wanjawulo mbangi bakwegwanyiza n'abasajja bangi abagwira nakuba gwe nsonyiwa shabiba labayo wenkokanye nzenna nsonyiwa ishambe limuba bibi nemenye nyamba mukwano nena.
Place to bike through.
Okay, so it's day 2 and we're into, as you can see, really rural Uganda. We're off-road now. It's a lot harder than the tarmac, but it's a lot more fun as well. And best of all, these little beauties, famous in Uganda, best bananas in the world, and they are absolutely to die for. You can't get bananas like this in Europe. They don't travel, but they're fantastic. Cheers.
We wouldn't have got anywhere without John, our mechanic. He could fix any problem with hardly any tools. And then, after a very long day in the saddle, we were finally within reach of our day's destination, the small town of Luero. It had been a magnificent ride.